On this street with the intersection of Abay lives young Wunderkind Darren, who already started learning programming language from 9A. Darren was managed to learn new software that will change their color and image design in the computer. And also he learned C# language that already helped to develop new programs and game software.
I just saw that my brother programs, and I too wanted to be programmers like my brother. Yes, yeah, I'm just starting to program, but I already have some results. I saw beautiful pictures in the internet, and I too wanted to do pictures like that. Yes, I do, because designer and programmers is very demanded professions. I'm going to be designer or programmist like my brother. Yes, it does, because when we switched to distance learning, I had a lot of time to improve my skills in editing, photoshopping, and programming.
And every day, step by step, you must go to your desired future. Devote every day, work, relax, and live your life, because only your life is in your hands. Despite all difficulties, just step forward.